Hey yo, what's up, broskies? This is my garden in Joe Mama's. Look, my name is Joe Mama, literally, and I'm just the new update. It just come out, and goddamn, that was cool. Got the chicken jockey, and it was cool, and it was so nice. There was a lot of things to. And I got this. Wait, where is it? This one. This one is 2 million. Celestial Shock Coco. I got this in its 2 million. I need to be quiet because it's literally midnight at the Philippines of the national of your Joe Mama. I need to stop saying that, and I need to stop jumping. And I got actually a bug egg, and I bought it in there actually saw bug egg there, and I said, yeah, bug egg, got it, instantaneous, got it. Cool carton, you need to shut up. And after that, actually, where is it? Yeah, I got the banana. Yep, I got the banana. I actually didn't got the normal banana because I was not the OG. Actually, just start like this, like 2 months ago, or a month or a week. I forgot, but probably it was a week because I'm just like that. I'm just chill, but forgot every time. If you know the tips I need to do in my garden, please just say in the comments, you stupid scandalons. Seed. It's no seed, bro. It's no seed. It's no seed, bro. It's just banana. Can I even stream snipe right now? No, I cannot. If I stream, oh, okay. Maybe there's good seed. And there's no always good seed in midnight. This is literally just all of my garden combined. I got a lot of mushrooms and that banana that's so big. Yo, the devs know what are they doing. The devs know. Like, even the tips, bro, like, pause. Devs know what are they doing. Yes, I forgot about this one. This is the most biggest dragon fruit tree in my plot right now. It's so big. Pause. You know who else is big? Low Taper Fade. I need to stop, bro. I need to stop. And that was just all of my tour. Oh, there's disco. Is it a disco though? No, it's just lagging. Okay, bye.